Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you my brand new K16 dual head humidifier, and this is the humidifier that I'm reviewing right now. This one, the product name of this is dual head humidifier model K16. The input voltage of this is 5 volts. Power is 3 watts. The weight of this humidifier is 520 grams. Product size 176 by 176, so 208 millimeter. The material is made by ABS plus PP plus electronic original. And the nice thing with this humidifier that I'm telling you guys, this one, it has a nano mist. You see the nano mist on the top. So all you need to do, there's a protective film that you need to remove, and those are the nano film 1 and 2. And it has a lower noise, large display screen, night light, and a double spray nozzle. The nice thing with this is can easily remove. As you see, it's removable and easily can fill a water. All you need to do without removing this head, just pour the water to this slot, this open slot, and you are able to fill up the container. And I'm showing you guys the the two. There's a two. Okay, guys. If you remove this top head, you turn it upside down, so you will see the two stick, and that's the stick help to suck all the water, and will serve as suction sponge to release a mess water, or like a smoke mess. 1 and 2 stick. This is a removable, so this one can be replaced and buy from Amazon or either eBay, and this is removable. So prior that you guys will use this humidifier, you need to soak this first to the water. After you soak it for 15 minutes, let it sit, and once it's already been soaked with water, that's the time that you guys will put this together. And after you put this together, you can pour the regular water. Don't use a filter water, only regular water. That's what they recommend using this mist humidifier. Well, as you see, I pour a water inside this container, these plastic containers, and then I put this stick. It's like a sponge stick, and all you need to do, just soak it for 10 to 15 minutes, and once you soak it, now it's ready for use. So I already soaked this for several minutes already. Now let's try it out. I'm gonna put this all together. I'm gonna put this inside. Now I'm putting the stick inside. So all I need to do, I need to put this to this head. You see, I already put it inside. All you need to do, just push it all the way through. I already push it all the way through. As you see, I already push it all the way through. Now this one is ready for use. All you need to do, just drop it down and get the USB. The nice thing with this humidifier, it comes with the USB, and you are able to use this using your wall adapter for your cell phone. Now I'm gonna use this power supply that I have with me. Let's try it out. I'm gonna plug this in. Let's see if this thing will work, and plug this in at the back. The nice thing with this, it comes with the C-type USB cord, and you just put it inside like this, plug it in, and after you plug it in, you see the light, and you can turn off the light by pressing it. See the mist is coming out now. So I basically use this without the light to save my battery because I'm using only this adapter, which is the power generator, 300 watts. I'm going to review that next time. But so far, I'm showing you guys this one. You see, you are able to see the humidity inside your home. Now I'm here inside my living area, in my in my bedroom rather, and the humidity right now is 52, 51. You see, so you can if you do not want the mesh, the dual head to use, you can just press this button, so it will works only one side. Press it again, so it will works like this. Turn off, then it turn on again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It turn off, and then it turn on. This is the nice thing with this. That's the reason why I get this. You can buy this from Amazon, Walmart, as long as it's on clearance. I got this on clearance. I got this for $12. And it's a good product. It's a free shipping. You don't have to worry about this product. The humidifier that I have is this one, the old one. But this one, it used the adapter like this. It consumes a lot of battery. It consumes a lot of wattage. So I decided not to use this one anymore. I buy this one. This one is better. It has a 2 mesh, so I can adjust it. See, I'm gonna adjust it like this. Now it works continuously, and I like it. So I have a master bedroom. My master bedroom, I'm not sure what is the actual size of my bedroom. Probably somewhere around like 900. It's either 900 or 896 square meter. But this one is a good product. You will not get wrong, for $12, and you are able to use it with the USB cable and a regular wall adapter. So whatever adapter that you guys have, and if you guys have like this, you are able to use it. And I highly recommend you guys buy this. This is a K16, again, K16 dual head humidifier, and the product name is a dual head humidifier, model number K16. The input voltage again is 5 volts. The power is 3 watts, 520 grams in weight. I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Until next time, guys, may you guys have a wonderful day today. If you guys like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks for stopping by. I catch you guys later for my next video. May God bless you all. Bye for now. God bless.